Hello and welcome to the Leo English channel. My name is Leo Darin, and this is our first English podcast. I'm very happy you are here with me today. This podcast is for beginner students, especially A1 level learners. We will use very simple English, short sentences, easy words, clear examples. If you are a beginner, this is a great place to learn English. Today's topic is, why do people learn English? Good question, right? Many people around the world learn English every day. But why? Let's look at some easy reasons. Number 1. People learn English to travel. Repeat after me. I learn English to travel. Good. When you go to a new country, English helps you. At the airport, in a hotel, or in a restaurant, English is useful. Number 2. People learn English to get a good job. Repeat. I learn English to get a good job. Very nice. English is important for business. Many companies want workers who can speak English. Number 3. People learn English to talk to other people. Repeat after me. I learn English to talk to people. Perfect. English is a global language. People from different countries speak English together. Number 4. People learn English to watch movies and videos. Let's repeat. I learn English to watch movies. Excellent! English movies, English YouTube channels, and English podcasts can help you learn. Number 5. People learn English to study in another country. Repeat. I learn English to study abroad. Great job! English helps students go to school or university in the UK, USA, or other countries. So let's review. Why do people learn English? 1. To travel. 2. To get a good job. 3. To talk to people. 4. To watch movies. 5. To study in another country. Let's say them again, together. I learn English to travel. I learn English to get a job. I learn English to talk to people. I learn English to watch movies. I learn English to study abroad. Awesome. Thank you so much for listening. You are amazing. You are learning, growing, and improving, step by step. This was Leo Darin from the Leo English channel. See you in the next podcast. And remember, keep learning, keep smiling, keep speaking English. Bye for now.